You're watching EDS TV. As you can see, the light was green for the camera for about 8 to 9 seconds before she hit her. The other driver was found 100% at fault. The Camaro wipes out in front of the camera and hits, more like plows through the median barrier. People like this make it hard for me to feel bad for them.
¿Qué harías en una situación así?
Never bring a machete to a gunfight. It also shows how pointless road rage is. I mean, what was the end goal here? Nothing would have been accomplished. The black car was definitely not at fault. You can see another vehicle turn into the median, and then they hesitate their left turn because of it. The other car is driving too fast, and they did have the brake lights on. If you're turning, it's your responsibility to make sure your lane is clear. No one should or is required to yield to you because you're turning unless traffic indicators give you special permission. I feel like someone at that radio station is going to get fired. I was fully expecting a car crash, but they seriously just didn't stop coming. This intersection always made me uneasy. Now, after the redesign, it appears to be no different. Too easy for freeway speed vehicles to rip through the neighborhood. The driver either overestimates the size of the gap or underestimates the length of the truck. The driver that hit the camera's truck has a court date for fleeing the scene. Thankfully, he was busted due to dashcam footage catching him. After he managed to mangle that right turn, the camera kept his distance. The camera believes this driver could have been drunk, or high, or something along those lines.
I have to kiss him fast or else he'll bite me. Oh my god.
The white Honda CR-V pulls out in front of an older car, and the older car slams on the brakes and locks up their tires, hitting the back of the white car with their driver's side door. The bystanders quickly ran to help. The black Toyota driver pulls out in front of the FedEx parking lot and nearly collided with the black SUV. The truck driver veered into the camera's lane and hit the cargo van ahead. I'm glad it wasn't a head-on collision. This could have been much, much worse. Despite the yield signs, this joker decided to cut the camera off at the last minute. Luckily, the camera's brakes are good and she didn't hit him. About 8 seconds in is the ever so careful crunch, a hidden downfall of living on a cul-de-sac where young drivers don't know how to read the no outlet signs and then attempt to turn around in their aggressively loud trucks. The driver was driving 20 in a 45 with an unsecured load on top of her car and was literally holding onto it with her hand out the window and tries to wave traffic around her into oncoming traffic. Nice reaction time on the camera's part. I would love a bounty program with dash cams. I don't know what else could correct this growing problem because unfortunately police are dwindling. The driver disobeys the speed limit, speeds in the right lane, in carelessly wet conditions, and then the driver attempts to make a left from the right lane without any hesitation.
Okay, Garmin, same video.
I think it's pretty explanatory what happened here, but it's pretty clear that driver was very ballsy with that move. I'm glad that no accident occurred.
Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originaldstv2@gmail.com. Additionally, if you use promo code DDSTV on usa-cams.com, you